Nikes.
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 Nike would not pay you to be their representative.
Nikes.
They're Nikes.
Nikes.
With the swoosh.
Nikes.
So Tyra, tell me. Get your nose out of the camera, silly goose. Do you like Mommy working at home with you? Do you? I can't hear you. What if Mommy had to work again? Remember like she used to before? You either had to ride around with us all day long or go to 3 different daycares in a day. What you do like better? Mommy working at home?
I love Mama working at home. Plus,